K&N has developed an air intake system, part number 63-1123, for the 2004 through 2009 Yamaha YFZ450 quad. This K&N air intake features a washable, reusable K&N high-flow air filter, as well as a rotomolded polyethylene tube that replaces the restrictive stock intake tube. On the K&N dyno, the 63-1123 gave the 2009 Yamaha YFZ450 quad a 4.27 increase in horsepower at 7,200 RPM. This translates to power you can feel. The tools needed to install your K&N 63-1123 are a socket set, an Allen wrench set, a 10mm wrench, and a flat blade screwdriver.
For more information on the products featured here, please head to our website, DennisKirk.com.